Hi guys, there's how you can make a snowstorm in a jar. First, you need to add fresh water and some white paint in your jar and pour the glitter in your jar. Type of glue if you want. Pour the container of baby oil in the jar. Break up the elastancer tablet into 4-5 pieces. Drop the elastancer pieces into the jar. Watch the magic. Okay, now I got 5 pieces of Alka sensor, and let's see the magic. Hope it works. Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude! It's working! It's working! No way. You can see it's soaking up. Oh my god. Oh no. So yeah, that's how you make a snowstorm in the jar. Hope you like it. Bubble! I hope you like it. Bubble! I hope you like it. We need to get more object. Wow. Wow, look at that. What the frick? Look at the inside. It's pretty cool. You know what? I'm done.